So you want a custom Discord bot for your server? Something like this, right? With your chosen name, your chosen profile picture, and your custom banner, and also your custom bio for the Discord bot. But of course, profile is not the only thing a bot needs, now is it? It needs to be functional and useful to actually be of any value. Well, this one is most certainly is. It can handle a lot of things. Complex tickets with multiple ticket and questions, a Discord application system, a highly customizable welcome system, a professional embeds creation system, webhooks and buttons all included, and server statistics system with new members, total members count and a lot. The list is too long, and this channel is dedicated to provide tutorials of various of such features. Well, of course, you need to start by inviting the bot. Link is in the description. The second thing you need is a premium subscription. Now you might be wondering, how much is it? Is it worth it? I can't spend monthly money on a Discord bot, and I can't pay in actual dollars. Don't worry, firstly we have a permanent premium option, means it won't expire, and it is just 1,000 Robux. Yes, you can pay by Robux. And is it worth it? Oh, you bet it is. Join our server to know how worth it is. So how do I actually buy this? Simply give the premium command. It is not just about a profile feature, premium includes a lot of features. You can read all that or can also see our tutorial videos on them. Just click buy now, it will redirect you to the official premium page, which is filled with details regarding the subscription and also with different plans. There is a monthly plan, but who buys it anyway, when you can get it permanently? Permanent includes all features what monthly does, so yeah, not a big deal. Use our code for saving Robux tax on your purchase. Press join official server. Now open the ticket like I do. You can open the ticket even to ask question regarding the premium, so yeah, no big deal. If you don't know your server ID where you want to buy premium for, just type I don't know, they'll help you in this. After you purchase premium, your server will get this message. Congratulations, the hardest part is done. You can always check your premium status. For permanent servers, it's of course permanent. Now the fun part of changing the profile begins. Just follow along, give the custom profile command, choose your desired name. Then upload your desired banner and profile picture. No profile pic can beat Ada Wong though, just kidding. And just like that it's done, and applied immediately. Now remove that ugly bio, right? We paid full price for a reason. Again, follow along, give the custom bio command, choose the bio you want and done. You might not see the change immediately. As you need to refresh your Discord, press the buttons on your screen on manually close and reopen Discord. It will reflect the applied changes immediately. And done. Congratulations on your new custom bot for your Discord server. So you want a custom bot, but also don't want to pay anything? Well, you are in luck. There are certain ways you can get a free trial for a week or even a whole month or even more. The first trick is boost the official server. Minimum 2 server boosts will work. The second trick is your luck. They do regular giveaways, in which they also give around free premium subscriptions. For even a month or even longer, it's really up to your luck in them. The last trick is small donations. This does not guarantee anything, but you can donate in small amounts to get a week of free trial. Join our official Discord server for more related updates, giveaways, and also regarding questions and features of the bot. We also accept suggestions. So what are you waiting for?